All right, activity number 4 covers the inverse functions. And don't get these confused with cosecant, secant, and cotangent. That's something different. Then there's little formulas up here. So given that cosine of a 0.7 equals 0.7648, write a relation involving the inverse cosine. The inverse just undoes what you started with, like adding and subtracting are inverses of each other. Multiplication and division are inverses of each other. Square roots and squares are inverses of each other because they undo each other. So sine and inverse sine, which is utilized by a little -1, it looks like an exponent, but it's not really. It's just symbolism for inverse. And since we're doing cosine on this one, because it says given that cosine that, we're going to use if cosine of y equals x, then the inverse of cosine of x would equal the y. They're switching places. The y and the x switch places, and then it becomes an inverse. So that's the one we're using. And now what I'm going to do is use different colors for, go with light pink. The cosine of y, so we've got the cosine of y, then cosine inverse of x equals y. Okay, so they want you to rewrite it. So it's going to be cosine -1 of x should equal y when you're given cosine of y equals x. So again, I put 0.7 is here, now it's going to go there. And the x is here, which is there, which is this number, is going to go there. So my answer will be the inverse of cosine of the 0.7648 should equal the 0.7. That's it. That's all they want you to do, is to rewrite a relation involving the inverse function, just to understand how they switch back and forth. So on this one, I would have to write cosine, and then, like I said, it looks like an exponent, so you'll use the exponent button. Oh crap, I'm supposed to put cosine in there. All right. Or I can delete it. Nope, it won't let me delete it. Okay. So hit A to the B, and then where the A is, type COS, and then scroll up, delete, hit -1, scroll back down, and then put it in parentheses, 0.7648, close the parentheses, equals the 0.7, or just 0.7. I don't think they cared. Oops, I just realized I typed in a comma in there. Boop. I'll go ahead and put the 0 point just to make it look good. And how did I do? Ta-da! That's all they want you to do.